tutorial number 18, Common Settings Mode. Hello, and welcome to the pco.camware video tutorials. In this video, we'll show you how to use the Common Settings Mode to simplify your workflow when more than one camera is operated. pco.camware 4 is designed to handle multiple cameras within one software instance. Within the camera list, you see every camera which is connected to pco.camware. When you select a certain camera, you'll be able to adjust its specific parameters in the Camera Properties section. Some applications require that a higher amount of cameras need to operate with identical adjustments. Adjusting the parameters in each single camera individually would result in a lot of lost time. To simplify this setup and adjustment of multiple cameras, we implemented the so-called Common Settings Mode. You can activate this feature when you open the File Options dialog. Select Yes under General Properties, Common Settings Mode. To configure the settings you want to apply to all configured cameras, click on the list icon within the Camera Properties section. With the help of a drop-down menu, you can select all parameters which you want to set for single cameras individually, or which ones you want to set as common settings for all connected cameras. When you finalize the configuration, you can set your preferred adjustments on camera 1. All parameters which you defined as common will be automatically applied to all other cameras in addition. When you select camera 2 or another camera, the settings you selected as common will not appear in the camera's properties section. That's all about the Common Settings Mode. Thank you for watching our video tutorial.